सो हाय एंड वेलकम बैक, दिस इज मी अर्शी और इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं BBIIMs के कैट कट ऑफ 2027 के बारे में. I think I've already made a video on IIMs cutoff and I think that video performed quite well because obviously everybody is preparing for CAT 2026 and they wanted to know that जिन colleges को aspire कर रहे हैं उन colleges के calls उनको किस percentile पे आएंगे. So category wise qualifying versus actual call percentile that I'm going to talk about. Now you need to understand minimum qualifying. We have a common admission process for CAP pool, which is for IIM Jammu, Bodh Gaya, Sambalpur, Sirmaur, and Amritsar. ये independent pool है, मतलब they have their admission process independently. IIM Nagpur, IIM Visakhapatnam run their own independent shortlist. So final call factors depends on academics, work experience, gender diversity, and up to 50% weightage, right? Now, if I talk about official CAP के calls जो हमने colleges देखे, सिरमौर, अमृतसर and all these colleges, जिनका common admission process है, so उसके लिए अगर आप cut off देखोगे तो general के लिए सेक्शनल कट ऑफ 70 परसेंटाइल है एंड 92 से 94 परसेंटाइल इज समथिंग व्हिच इज रिक्वायर्ड टू गेट अ कॉल फ्रॉम दोज कॉलेजेस. EWS 40 सेक्शनल कट ऑफ है, 70 से 75. अब इमेजिन अगर कोई EWS कैटेगरी का है, भाई 70-75 पे कॉल आ रहा है. What else you can imagine? But again, it depends also on conversion. Calls बहुत सारे students को आता है. Conversion is a different story altogether. OBC 45 is the sectional cutoff which is required. 74 to 75 is the overall CAT percentile. SC category 35, 54 से 60 percentile. ST category 25 का sectional cutoff है and 40 से 45. PWD 25 and 40 से 45 is basically the CAT percentile which is required when it comes to CAP. Now actual call cutoff की अगर हम बात करें तो we have again Nagpur 94 से 95 percentile, 85 for EWS, 86 for OBC category, 75 plus for SC category and 65 plus for ST category. Vizag की बात करूँ तो 92 से 94 plus percentile is something upon a safer side. You know, last year it was around 93, 92. मतलब हर साल ये थोड़ा change होता है, तो that is the reason यहाँ पे range लिखी है 92 से 94. So Vizag 92 से 94. For EWS it is 82 plus percentile. OBC 84 plus, right? SC, ST, भाई SC को 70 plus पे आ रहा है और SC वालों को 60 plus पे. From Amritsar 93 से 95 for the general category, EWS 80 plus, 82 for OBC category, 72 plus SC and 62 for ST category. Bodh Gaya 92 से 93 plus percentile, 75 plus percentile for the OBC EWS, 78 for OBC category, SC 60 plus, right, and 50 plus for ST category. Also अगर हम इन colleges की बात करें, कट ऑफ एक पार्ट है टू लुक फॉर ऑल दीज कॉलेजेस, बट ऑल्सो यू नो इफ यू लुक एट द फी स्ट्रक्चर इट्स नॉट छोटा, right? It's quite expensive, you know. 25-30 lakh is the kind of investment you're making for your 2-year MBA. So you also have to see whether I should go for, you know, IIM Bodh Gaya or do I have any other better options in terms of private colleges, especially when you're looking for new and baby IIMs. Because the placement reports, the kind of placement, the kind of companies which are coming, they're all in the growing stage. This is something what you need to understand. So, I mean, so far we have discussed for Bodh Gaya. If I talk about Jammu and Sirmaur, 92 to 93 plus percentile for general, for EWS 75 plus, for OBC 78 plus, 60 plus for SC and ST 50 plus. And then we have Sambalpur 92, 94. I again, wanted to just show you one specific thing. आप जितने भी colleges देख रहे हैं इस list में, यहाँ पे general के लिए 92 से 94, 95 का ही cut off है. आप जितने भी colleges देख रहे हैं EWS के लिए 75 से 85 plus का bracket है to get calls from all these colleges. आप OBC की अगर बात करूँ तो 86, okay, 78 is the minimum bracket for Sambalpur, for Jammu, Sirmaur, Bodh Gaya, and 82, 86 for the you know, options like Nagpur, Vizag and Amritsar. Now, अगर मैं SC की बात करूँ, 60 is the minimum percentile which is required to get calls from all these colleges. Higher side is 75 for Nagpur, again for Vizag and Amritsar for 70, 72, and SC 50 percentile पे call आ रहा है भाई IIMs का. Can you just imagine? So I mean that is the kind of bifurcation when it comes to the cutoff for different categories, right? So pro tips for baby IIM aspirants. फीमेल कैंडिडेट्स एक्स्ट्रा 3 to 5% का वेटेज मिलता है जेंडर डाइवर्सिटी का। नॉन इंजीनियर्स को एकेडमिक डाइवर्सिटी का काफ़ी वेटेज मिलता है, तो 91-92% आईएल में भी कॉल आ जाता है। और IIM वाइजैक जो है वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा फोकस करता है 10th-12th के मार्क्स को over just the CAT score. So accordingly, you need to shortlist all those colleges, prepare for your GD, for your PI. But abhi you have time, you need to focus that whether you'll be able to make it to all your dream colleges like older IIMs, right? Share this video with all your friends out there. नीचे WhatsApp community है, जो information यहाँ नहीं मिलती वो वहाँ मिलती है, तो you can जल्दी से join in. Till then, bye-bye.
I hope you liked this video. For more such videos, keep watching our channel.
And do not forget to like, share and subscribe.